Teacher Jazz, for president, I wrote a song and it goes like this. And it goes like this. I wrote a song and it goes like this. Asked to go outside, so me and mama went for a ride. Me and mama sitting side by side. Ouch, I wanna cry. My tummy hurts, can I hold it? I will try to hold it, cause I don't wanna cry. If I fart, it'll break my mama's heart. Traumatized. Oops, it slipped. Jazzy telling lies. No, mama, it caught me by surprise. Well, say excuse me next time. Go outside. Don't pass gas. Am I right? Mama says next time. Don't be shy. Mama said next time. Mama said next time. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. If you pass gas, be polite. Be polite. Mama said, don't be shy. If you pass gas, be polite. This time, I'm gonna let it slide. This time, I'm gonna let it slide. Cause next time, I won't be so nice. I won't be so nice. When you pass gas, say excuse me. Did you pass gas? Absolutely. Stinky air came up out my booty. Don't be rude, say excuse me. When you pass gas, say excuse me. Did you pass gas? Absolutely. Stinky air, it came up out my booty. Don't be rude, say excuse me. When you pass gas, say excuse me. Did you pass gas? Absolutely. Stinky air, it came up out my booty. Ew. Don't be rude, say excuse me. Say excuse me. Don't be rude, say excuse me. I don't care if it caught you by surprise. Be polite, say excuse me. When you pass gas, say excuse me. Did you pass gas? Absolutely. When you pass gas, say excuse me. Did you pass gas? Absolutely. When you pass gas, say excuse me. Next time, I'ma whoop your booty. If you don't say excuse me. Next time, say excuse me. Next time, I'm gonna whoop your booty. Next time, absolutely. I don't wanna hear it, I'ma whoop your booty. Next time, say excuse me. Say excuse me. Whoop. Absolutely. Ew. 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 Say excuse me. Say excuse me. When it come about your booty. When it come about your booty. Say excuse me. Absolutely. Be polite. Think twice. Say excuse me. Yay! Good job, we did it. Now let's do it again and tell a friend. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.